Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Dia and I appreciate you stopping by. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing on my Portland Leather large zipper tote in honey. I am on my way out the door to head to Arizona to go visit my kids for 4 days, and I wanted to hurry up and unpack this and record it for you guys before I left so I can give you my impression of it. I thought I ordered it in medium, and I thought this box was a little bit small for medium. It turns out I ordered it in large, and now the box seems really small to me. So I'm really curious to open this up. Like I said, I'm gonna be gone for 4 days, so I wanted something that I could put all of my journaling and planning stuff in and, you know, have it all in one place and tote it around with me. So I'm excited to see what fits in here. I debated on getting the zippered or the unzippered, but I did have a Michael Kors tote bag that only had a button and not a zipper, and it had a tendency to fall and flop around in the back of my car, and by the time I would get to my location, everything would be all over the place. So I'm hoping that the zipper works for me a lot better, and I'm gonna quit chatting and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, I didn't know how else to do this because I don't really have a space for this, so okay, it just has a little thank you thing in here. I've wanted one of these bags for the longest time. That is gorgeous. I think this is going to be the perfect size for me. Okay, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna probably take you guys off of the stand to show you a closer look at the inside of this purse, but it looks like the perfect size for me. I was worried that it would be too small or too big, but I don't think it's either. Let me try it on. My dog just came in the room. Okay, so here it is right here. Like I said, I got it in honey. I wished that the straps came in the same color as the bag, but I'm really not minding the color difference at all, especially because the zipper is black, so I kind of feel like it brings it together. But yeah, this is the perfect size for me. I thought about using one of my camera bags. That's a tote, but it's, you know, several inches bigger than this, and it would have just been way too big to carry all my stuff in. So I'll go ahead and show you guys an inside look at this, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna pack it with for my trip. This is gorgeous, and it smells teak. Okay, let me pick this stuff up, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys a closer look at this. I think this is probably gonna be the easiest way to do it. So here is a closer look at the bag. I love that it has this pocket up front so I can just toss my phone or my keys in here. But it also has this little loop on the inside that I can attach my keys to so that they don't get lost in here. The inside of the bag is this, you know, rougher leather. And it says Portland Leather on this inside pocket. So there's just this big inside pocket right here as well. And then other than that, it's pretty much, you know, just a tote. I like how wide it is. Okay, so let's see what I can put in here. And the straps are pretty soft. I already like that. So they're not, you know, I know some people will train them to kind of go this way, to flop over this way. I want mine to flop out of the way. So, okay, let's see what I can stick in here. I'm gonna start with probably the largest item, which is my iPad Pro. It fits in there perfectly. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my AirPods in this pocket. I have my A5 planner, Hobonichi planner. I have TN journal, which I forgot to close up. So this is my daily planner, and then this is my daily journal. Let's see what's next. That's my wallet. I think I will go ahead and put this. This is my other daily journal. It's my Hobonichi 5-year. This is the current book I'm reading during my miracle morning. Let's see what else. So usually this goes in my purse, but I'll go ahead and just throw it in here for now for the sake of seeing how much fits in this thing. This also usually goes in my purse. It has a few extra cards in it, and if I have any pictures or anything, I'll stick them in here, pictures or stickers that I want to use. And this is the book that I'm currently reading for fun. This is my tech bag, which just has all of my cords to like my Apple Watch and my phone, all my chargers, and an extra charger. This bag I got so long ago from Pigtails and Pockets, and I still have it. It's quite old, but I love it. Okay, I'm just gonna shove that on the side, and then my glasses because I'm blind. So that's it. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna zip. Oh, wow. Okay, that zipped so easily, like so easily. Before I take off the camera from the tripod, I'm gonna go ahead and try and hold this thing. Let me see. It's actually not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot heavier. I mean, of course, this is not something that I can carry around all day with me, but it's just to tote things around, and it'll mainly stay in my car and then go from the car to the hotel. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys what is inside. Okay guys, so here is everything that I shoved inside this thing. So here it is one more time. If you're not familiar with me, I am only 4'11", and this is a large Portland leather tote bag with the zipper in honey. This is what it looks like on a 4'11" person. For the straps being thin, they're quite comfortable too, and I feel like the loop size is perfect that I can easily slide it on my shoulder. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Like I said, it is pretty heavy. Won't be carrying it around too many places with me. It's just gonna go from the car to the hotel room probably. It does have a softer kind of leather that will scratch very easily, but I look forward to seeing how it ages because I love scratches on my bags. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions about the tote, go ahead and leave them down below. I'll leave as much description about it as I can in the description area with a link to Portland Leather. This video is not sponsored or anything. I purchased this myself because I have been wanting one of these for several years now, and I just finally did it. I don't know why I waited so long. I think in my head I built it up and thought they were kind of expensive, but in reality, when you compare it to other bags like the backpack that I just bought from Andar, this one I think is actually cheaper, and I'm kind of liking the quality of it a little better. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe, and if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, make sure you hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.